everybody. So today is Thursday the 4th of March and it's a really exciting day. It's a day that I look forward to every single year. It is World Book Day. Well, what is World Book Day? Well, it's a really special day that's set aside every year to celebrate books and authors and reading. Pause this now and have a think. What are some of the favourite books that you've ever read? World Book Day is all about children like you exploring the amazing world of books and reading. Celebrations are held all over the world. In America and in more than 100 countries around the world, World Book Day is held on April the 23rd. But in the UK and Ireland, where we live, World Book Day is always held on the first Thursday in March, which is today. World Book Day began with a decree by UNESCO, which is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organisation. And the first World Book Day was held in April 1995, over 20 years ago. The idea for World Book Day came from the Spanish celebration of the Rose Day. It was a day where people gave each other a rose to show their love, which is very similar to Valentine's Day. And the idea came from that maybe we could share books with each other on World Book Day. Now, we share books with each other all the time in school because reading every single day is so important to us at St Anne's. It's so important that we count how many full weeks you read for and give you certificates and vouchers for it every single year. So how much do you read? I hope the answer's a lot. I love reading for many reasons. Books make you smarter. The more you read, the more things you know. Books are magical and you can visit other worlds and other times, and they really inspire me when I'm thinking about stories to write. New authors can spark your imagination. And books are relaxing to read after a long day at school, whether you're actually in the school building or whether you've been learning remotely. Now, I can't wait to come back to school on Monday for many reasons, but the main one is to chat with my class and to find out what books everyone's been reading in their time at home. I wonder if they've been reading adventure books or magazines or newspapers and factual books. Maybe they've been reading historical books or poetry books or comics. The list is endless. I wonder if you can send your teacher a message today telling them what sort of books you've been reading. Quick reminder for everybody then, bearing in mind we are coming back on Monday. Get your reading diary signed and up to date, ready to show the teachers and teaching assistants in your class so that you can take steps towards achieving your reading certificates and vouchers that we really value in our school. Now, because World Book Day is such an important day the world over, it's always a day of celebration and fun. And here are a few ways that the world can celebrate and we can celebrate our love of books. In the UK and Ireland, children are always given a book token for £1 that can buy a book, and that's the same this year. You'll all be receiving a £1 book token that can either go towards the price of a book or can purchase one of the special books that only cost £1 that have been written for this occasion. In school or at home this afternoon, we will be celebrating World Book Day in a number of ways. We're going to have our normal morning reading lessons, of course, but in the afternoon your teacher's going to read you one of their favourite books and they will tell you all about it and why it's one of their favourites. And then also this afternoon you're going to take part in some amazing World Book Day activities such as workshops with authors who've written those books you can buy for £1. Maybe you're going to do a treasure hunt or write some book reviews. Maybe you're going to play some reading games, and there are so many other exciting things that your teachers have got planned for you today. So I'm sure after this afternoon and all our wonderful book day activities, you might be thinking, well, where can I find my next favourite book? Well, there are loads of different ways you can find an exciting book. When we return to school, we've got lots of books on our bookshelves that we can lend out to you. Or when the local library is open, you'll be able to visit there, and the librarians there will be so happy to help you find a great book. Ask your teacher about their favourite books. We're really lucky in our school because all the teachers in our school absolutely love reading, and they won't hesitate to recommend an amazing book for you to read. Ask your parents, ask your friends. You could even make your own book if you're feeling particularly creative and inspired. And then last but not least, there are loads of websites that recommend books for children. So with your parents' permission, you could visit some of those as well, because they will make recommendations for you based on books and genres of books that you really enjoy reading. So I hope that everybody at St Anne's has a wonderful World Book Day today. I know you're going to love the activities that your teachers have planned for you this afternoon, and you're really going to enjoy listening to the stories that they've really carefully chosen to read to you. Make sure that you send any pictures of you reading or any favourite books that you've discovered today. Send your teachers a message on Teams, because I know they will be dying to find out what it is that you've enjoyed about today and what books you can now recommend to them. Have a lovely, lovely day.